Hey, downtown Los Angeles, look at that, you guys.
That's a great shot.
Isn't that a pretty shot there? The former library tower, the U.S. Bank building looking good. Kind of ominous, but we'll take what we can. 69 degrees. That's that fog I was speaking about. I'm searching around for dense fog advisories through the area. But nonetheless, we are getting ready to change the weather pattern. That's a good thing. So today, the final sticky kind of day before we change things around. We're cooler than yesterday at this time by about 3 degrees on average in most spots. 4 degrees cooler up into Lancaster. I want to show you a couple of images here. This is water vapor. This measures basically the moisture content, yada, yada, in the air. But what it also shows you is a low pressure area. It's a real well-defined low. That's dry air. That's moisture air there. This is the low that pulled off a little farther offshore yesterday. That's why we didn't get a lot of thunderstorm activity, but it's going to start to move its way towards us, and that's going to increase the onshore push over the next couple of days, even give us a chance to drizzle and finally make it feel fall around here, which would be nice. So the clouds increase. Highs are going to be either right around average or a little bit below average, and the beaches could stay socked in for a couple of days. So we'll call it 84 today. Yesterday, we hit 93. The beach is 77. That's kind of optimistic. The valley's 94, but look at tomorrow and through the extended, really nice. I got to change that Monday one. I apologize. 81 degrees there. For the IE, 94 today, 87 tomorrow, 80 on Thursday, and so it goes. We'll pop a little on Sunday or Monday, but there's not going to be any big change. Now, for the high deserts and the mountains, I'm going to leave a chance for thunderstorm today and then tomorrow into Thursday. Even though there's a 10% chance anywhere else throughout the area, I'm thinking probably the best opportunity tomorrow and the next day will be up into the mountains and into the high deserts as the low pressure area kind of just cruises over the area and stays there. And then by Friday, we'll start to move things out.